moving average and this strategy that helps you spot clean entries in binary option. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use this strategy step by step. I will show you the setup, the entry rules, and chart examples. So make sure you watch till the end. And quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly. As you can see here on my screen, I've already set the chart up. So you can see that there are small moving averages of 26, which is the red line, then a moving average of 14, which is the yellow line, and the moving average of 6, which is the blue line. So what I used to do, this is a daily chart, so I'm going to change it. If you want to get your indicators, this is Olim Trade, and see it's on a demo account. So if you want to get your indicators, you see here where this list here, you go to technical analysis. So in technical analysis, you can see your indicators there. Under indicator, you can see small moving average, SMA. There's a SMA and there's a, I think AMA or something like that, but I use SMA. There's WMA. So this is small moving average. So you can see that it's 3. So if I want to add another one, I'll click on it and it will add the other one. So, but I'm not going to add it, so I'm going to cancel it. You can see when I clicked on it, it added another one. So once it adds another one, I'll just edit it. You can see I can edit the number, I can edit the color that I want. But the numbers I'm using are this 26, 14, and 6. So I'll cancel this one so there won't be too many lines. So right now I'm going to show you how I use this strategy. So let's go to a lower time frame. So you can see you can select many time frames. So let's go to 1 minute. I like to use 1 minute. 1 minute is also good for this strategy. So what I used to do is that once the blue line crosses the yellow line in an upward direction, I'm going to take a buy trade. So for the next 1 minute, you can see my time is on the 1 minute. I'm going to take a buy trade. And also this two should be below the red line. And it also applies to a sell trade. So right now, I'm going to take a 1 minute buy trade. I took it with a $500 demo. So let's see how it goes after 1 minute. The prediction is it should go up above the line after 1 minute. So you can see my trade here. You can see that it's in profit plus 500 at plus 450 right now. So let's wait for it to the trade to be over. You can see that it's going in my direction, like favorably. This strategy works very well. Like I have used this strategy to get like 10 consecutive wins before. So some it's not like it's a perfect strategy. Sometimes it doesn't work. So sometimes it can be 90% correct, sometimes it can be 50% or maybe even 30%. But this strategy is one of the best if you are trying to trade binary option. Yeah, you can see that it's already in profit. I just went into the chart and did this now. You can see the balance before was like 11,000 something. Now it's 12,000. You can see this was a perfect entry for me. So you can see that what I'm saying is just going up. And if you go back in time, let me look for a perfect back testing for this strategy. You can see somewhere like here when it's going on the sell motion, you can see when the blue line crosses the yellow line below the red line, you can see that it also went down. So around this moment you should pick a sell trade. This kind of opportunity doesn't come that often again, but I was just lucky that it came now. So you can see that before it came now, it came around 9, yeah, it came around 3 hours ago. So yeah, so that's for this. You can see it's already touching the red line. So I don't think I'll trade this one anymore. But the perfect chance has gone. So let me go to other assets to see how I can use this strategy there. So just going to give like a few examples. Let me see. Yes, you can see this one now. This is a, but this one is a 10% profit. So I don't think it is advisable. But you can see that the chart have, is touching here. So once it crosses, I'm going to predict it goes down more. But the duration is 1 hour. So let me try and edit it if I can get to 5 minutes. Can't get less than that. So I don't think it's advisable you use that here. So let me go to other assets. Let me see if there are other opportunities there. If you have any questions about this strategy, kindly drop it in the comment section. So I'm just trying to place some trades. It's a very nice strategy actually. I actually use it for forex sometimes too. This strategy, apart from using naked charts, I also use this one. It's like a support to naked charts. That's using price actions and all of that. So I'm looking for an asset that I can trade that has the okay. This one is not touching yet, but I feel it will still go up anyway. So anyway, you can't trade often like that. You need to look for it's a perfect time for your strategy to align. Yeah, this one is kind of confusing, but it's going up anyway. I'm looking for where the strategy is cleanly, where it works perfectly. So as I hope the video is not going to be too long, I'm going to try and cut a little. I just want to show the strategy on multiple occasions, not just one time thing. Because yeah, you can see here now it's about to cross, so and it's below the red line. So the next one, okay, this one is what the one. I think the duration for this one is can't be less than an hour. It can't be. This is the least time you can do. Try and make the duration be 1 minute within the time of the candlestick. You can also apply this strategy to a 5 minute chart. And in that strategy, you also see that the MACD of that one, sorry if I didn't say it earlier, it was crossing it from under. Like now, this one, if it touches here, you see that this MACD line is going to cross it and go under. So that's another, like the MACD is like a two-factor authentication for the strategy. Yeah, you get what I mean? I'm looking for another chart that we can apply that strategy to. Uh, this one is looking like it's going to cross, but it's not yet crossing. This is how you do when you're looking for this strategy. You have to search and search and search. This the MACD has already crossed there. You can see, and it's below this zero line. And so let's see if it crosses here. Okay, this one is 1 hour. 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay. It's on 1 minute right now. So yeah, it has crossed. So I'm going to predict the buy. So I've opened the trade. Let's see how it goes in the next 1 minute. Like I said, it's not 100% successful, but it has a high winning chance, winning rates, the success rates. Yeah. So let's see. The trade is currently on the red right now. Yeah. What's going on? Yeah, you can see the trade was successful. I started with about 11,000 something, and you can see I'm already on like 12,000. So this is two out of two wins. The video is already getting long. So yeah, let me look for another one. Trying to look for another example. It's not easy scrolling through all these chats. Anyway, to make money is not easy. Anyway, it's actually not that hard, but strategy is straightforward. Okay, this one we missed it. Or was it the one I traded previously? We missed it this part when it crossed the line here. You can see the MACD also crossed it. You can see it went up. That was some minutes ago. So let me see. This one, if it touches it and crosses, an indication that it's going down. But the two signals that we got, I think they were buy or something like that. Let me see. Yeah, the two of them were buy. This one was 90% profit. This one was 85%. Bitcoin and USD card. So yeah, you can see now this. I think this is a sell, and this will be good for a sell trade if they cross. So let's see what happens next. So yes, it's touching, but it hasn't crossed. Maybe I did it too fast, but I still believe that it's going to go below this line anyway. So let's see how it goes in the next 1 minute. I think I should have waited for the full indication anyway. But let's see. I'll try not to maybe cut the video too much so that you see all the trades that I took and see the success rate. So this is my third trade in a row now. You can see that this one too seems like it's going to end in profit within next few seconds. Let's see, 7 seconds. So maybe I'll take one more or so. So this is like 100% success rate in this video. You can see the started with like $11,000. Now it's like $13,000 demo dollar. It's not. You can try it on demo before trying testing it on your real account. So let me look for another opportunity here. The strategy is actually I actually got it from watching a YouTube channel some years ago, and I noticed that like 7 years ago, and I noticed that it was a very smart strategy, and it works for forex too when I was using it that time too. But when I'm doing it in forex, I use it in a different way. Easy to buy and sell in different. And this is another one. I'm going to predict down. Yeah. So let's see. This should be. I won't take any more trades. So if I don't win this one, this will be like just a 75% success rate. I think I got in a little bit late, but let's see. But I'm taking like 4 trades max just to show you how it works. So yeah, let's see how it works. So a few seconds. It's not going our way here. Yeah, you can see that trade wasn't didn't go as planned. So if you like this video, do well to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have any questions. So see you in the next one. Bye.